we're gonna make ice cream. Yay! Are you guys excited to make ice cream? Alright, so today we're gonna make mint chocolate chip ice cream. And we have some fresh mint. Okay.
I grow mint.
We have our fresh mint. We have some chocolate ganache squares that we're gonna chop up and mix inside that we made at this camp a few days ago. And so in order to make our ice, and we're gonna hand churn our ice cream in this really cute ice cream maker from the 70s that somebody gave me, and that they have very fond memories. And how it goes is there's a paddle that fits inside, and you put the lid on, and then you crank it like this. Okay. So, but first we have to make our mix. So I'm gonna put this to the side, and I'm gonna make my mix. So in order to make ice cream, you need 2 cups of cream. So this is 2 cups. I'm just gonna pour it into this bowl.
2 cups.
And then you need 1 cup of milk.
I thought it is milk.
So I have some in here.
Some more milk.
Okay, so there's my milk. All right. Okay, so we'll take a pinch of salt. Okay, and we're gonna do a 1/2 cup of sugar. So I'm gonna use coconut sugar in my ice cream again, because at Bliss Belly Kitchen we use unrefined sugars, and this is a brown. It looks brown because it wasn't bleached and it didn't turn out. It's not white. So it's in its more natural state. Around 1/2 cup. This is more like 3/4, so I'll put some back. Okay, so we have 1/2 cup. So we have our cream, milk, and sugar, and our salt. And I'm gonna put a little bit of vanilla in.
Wait, I thought the other one was
I'm gonna just add a little bit of vanilla. This is called, so that's a good question. This is vanilla bean paste. So it's a lot thicker than extract. Okay, so I'm gonna just mix it in. All right, so everyone can smell it. So now I'm gonna use a little whisk, and I'm gonna whisk all of this together. Okay, so I've kind of pretty much dissolved the sugar, salt, and vanilla into the mixture. So I have my ganache. So I'm gonna look at my toppings now. We're gonna make mint chip ice cream, and we're gonna use some fresh mint, and we're also going to use some ganache from the truffles that we made earlier this week. So these truffles are homemade. They're made from Belgian chocolate, and we rolled them in raspberry. So there's going to be a little bit of raspberry in here as well.
raspberry.
Okay, so we have our ganache now, and now we're going to do the mint. So I'm going to take the mint leaves. We have our chopped up mint here, and we have some ganache. Some chocolate. So I'm going to. So I'm gonna mix all this in.
Good. It tastes good.
So now we have our mixture of, we have mint, ganache, and our ice cream mixture. We're gonna pour it in here. Okay.
That looks yummy.
And now tell you, this is kind of one of my favorite things to do at this camp.
It's
Is
chocolate.
to make ice cream from scratch. Okay, and we're just gonna start cranking it.
Let's make
Okay.
it from scratch. Now it's getting thicker, so it's almost ice cream. Probably, hopefully.
Maybe. Oh, it's perfect.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Wow, this is amazing. Oh, I have to taste it.